here we go. So, hello, Alexis. How are you? How you doing? So listen, from what I hear, you've had the longest run with the Nativity. How do you feel about returning to the Goodman this year with this renewed vision?
Oh, man, I feel great. This cast, and I really believe this, is the dream team. I'm so serious. Like, just even in the casting process, I basically was like, we got the dream team this year. Oh, I'm amazed. I'm glad we're back at the Goodman. Not that we don't appreciate being other places, but it's something about bringing into the Goodman where there's so many other ethnic groups that come through there. So, because it's not just an African American story per se, it's the story about Jesus Christ, and He was not a God of just us African Americans. So this is for everybody. So I'm glad to be at the Goodman. They have a very diverse audience.
So listen, I've heard that we've just changed the name. We went from Black Nativity, now we are the Nativity.
The Nativity.
Right. So how has the presentation of this classic story evolved since Congress Square began the production? Because it started as Black Nativity, but now it's the Nativity. So can you give us a little bit about how you feel about the evolution?
You know what? The evolution for me is just really honing in on what this is really about. It was such a spectacle before with all the song and the dance, but this is really to me about the journey. In this particular story, the Nativity is about the journey that Mary and Joseph took, and the joy and the celebration of Jesus' birth and what He brought to mankind. That's really what it's about. I think before it was more about the celebration all in of itself. But this tells a story about the journey that they took to get to this awesome moment where we brought Christ the King.
Yes, we get all the drama and all that.
Oh yes, I'm telling you, when you get that King here, then
oh, wait a minute. Okay, hold on, you're getting me excited. Let me get out that task here. So how do you adjust as an actor to always bringing something fresh? I mean, this is what, 5, 6? And so you've done each different type of version. So how do you make this one fresh for yourself?
You know what? The Spirit of the Lord is always fresh. Always. I'm telling you, if you're truly connected to the Spirit, then there's no way it cannot be fresh.
That's true.
Never. If the anointing is really on you and you're really tapped into your gifting, there is no way it cannot always be fresh. And I always take the time to give honor where honor is due, and God gives it back to me. So it's fresh every time. Every time I step out there, it's a new moment. It's a new moment. No moment in life is the same.
Exactly.
So there you have it.
Thank you so much, Alexis, for taking this time out to talk to us, and we will see you at the Square.
Nativity.